Alright, audio test 2. Um, yeah, so we're just gonna take this off where we left off. Defeat Feral Boar number 2. Yay, got some tough meat. Yeah, it's Schwarzenegger style meat. It had some muscles on his bones. Yes, Yalga. Okie
For every
dokie.
fire I put out, two more spring up in its place.
So why are you standing about, yo? You got some fire to
We
put
can't
out,
let the
motherfucker.
forest burn down.
Ooh, look at that. I just got gloves. Ooh, so fancy. So fancy. I was reading something online that it said that apparently side quests are not really optional. You pretty much have to do them if you want to keep up with the leveling curve on this game. Then again, the character I was watching was also playing
Find mushrooms, not a war.
as a
I could really use those
mage,
samples.
so I'm gonna turn this volume down a little bit on my headphones because it's really loud. So yeah,
There you are.
talk to Captain Tortoise. Tortoise. Foxes and wolves are hardly a challenge, but I feel better holding them off until we can get our wounded out of here. These wolves are well organized, but they seem to be following a large female we hadn't seen before. Take her down, and the rest of the pack will back off. What's worse, some of our explosives fell near their den. If you take her down and get those explosives back, maybe we finally get out of here.
A wolf pack without a leader is nothing more than a bunch of dogs.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. What she said. Alright, so we're just gonna harvest some of these. I think I've done enough that I could stop recording and just